guys have one more. Right. We're gonna go to the car wash, enter the car wash. We're gonna get the top wash. We're gonna get the $1849 wash, which is the ultimate. Car wash now open. I think, let's check it out. Wow, that's cool car wash. Ooh, bubbles. That's cool. Support of this. Pause. Alright, we're gonna get our, today we're gonna get...
Hey man, how's it going?
What's up, bro?
Can we get the,
what can I get for you?
1840
one?
The Simoniz Wax Shine.
Yep.
The Simoniz we're getting. This one Simoniz we're getting today.
One wash, $20. $10 more, you can get unlimited washes for the whole month. Come as much
the best
as you
wash
want.
we're getting today.
Okay, alright, cool, man. Thank you.
We're getting the best wash.
Just keep it in neutral.
Yep.
I don't see. Can you the top wash? Did you get the top wash?
Yes.
It smells like bubble gum. We got the Simoniz Wax Shine. You just paid $20. You're gonna. The MacNeil arch is right there. Up here's hot pre-soak again. We got hot pre-soak, and the brushes are coming. Here it is. Tire cleaning. Tire clean. And top pre-soak. And here comes the top brush. Here comes the brushes to the side. There the motor seat works, and got some brushes right there, brushes right there, brush. Here's another top brush. That's the top brush, and we're going for another top brush. And here comes the Hot Wax Shine, right there. Hot wax is right there, and we got the next one. We got more. So here comes the whoa, that's an awesome one. Now this is Underbody. Next we have Rain-X, and we have Rain-X complete, and got here it is, Rain-X. Here's our final rinse, dry and shine. And here comes the dryers. Here comes the dryers. Here comes dry and shine. That's an awesome ton with the dry and shine. Tire shine. Here comes the top brush. Tire shine right there, and here comes the top brush. I hope I do the best. It does a great job. It's doing a great job with this. And great. And wait. There's no stop and go or go sign. That's great. We can and thank you for watching. Bye.
Thanks for watching. Bye.